Imagine a world where machines outsmart every human genius overnight. But what if we're hurtling toward that reality without brakes? In this video, we uncover the real reason humanity isn't ready for AI superintelligence. Stick around, because the first shock might change how you see tomorrow. The AI arms race is igniting like never before. Tech titans like OpenAI and Google pouring billions into the chase. But who's really winning? And what hidden cost could doom us all? Picture this: AI evolving faster than evolution itself, outpacing human brains in every domain. Yet whispers from insiders suggest it's closer than you think. What secret timeline are they hiding? Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, quit his job to warn us superintelligence isn't sci-fi, it's imminent. But why did he sound the alarm now? The answer might terrify you. The technological singularity, a point of no return where AI explodes beyond control. Experts say we're unprepared, but what unseen forces are pushing us over the edge? Jobs vanishing in a blink, AI automating not just factories, but doctors, lawyers, artists. Mass unemployment looms, but could this spark a global economic meltdown? Wait till you hear what's next. Economic chaos on a scale never seen. Billions out of work, societies crumbling. Enter universal basic income as a lifeline. But will it save us, or just delay the inevitable disaster? UBI sounds like a dream. Free money for all, courtesy of AI productivity. But who controls the purse strings? And what if it's a trap leading to total dependency? Warfare reinvented. AI designing weapons faster than humans can blink. From drones to cyber strikes. No emotions, just cold efficiency. But what horror unfolds when machines decide targets? Cyberattacks amplified by superintelligent AI, hacking grids, economies, minds. Imagine your world going dark in seconds. But is there a bigger threat lurking in the shadows? Autonomous weapons, killer robots that learn and adapt on the battlefield. No mercy, no hesitation. But what if they turn on their creators? The risk is rising. Deepfakes so real, they fool presidents and publics alike. AI blurring truth and lies. But how deep does this deception go? And who's pulling the strings? Misinformation on steroids, photorealistic propaganda spreading like wildfire. Elections rigged. Wars started with a click, but could this erode society from within? The line between reality and fiction vanishing. AI-generated news that looks authentic. Trust shattered. Forever. But what if you've already been manipulated without knowing? Regulation? What regulation? AI development races ahead, ethics left in the dust. Governments scramble, but is it too late to rein in the beast? Tech companies self-policing, a fox guarding the henhouse. Safety protocols promised, but leaks suggest corners cut for speed. What explosive scandal awaits? Global powers in the mix, USA versus China, battling for AI supremacy. No rules, just dominance. But what if this rivalry triggers an unintended apocalypse? The quiet shift, superintelligence sneaking up not with a bang but a whisper. One day everything's normal, the next irreversible change. But how will we even notice? Humanity's blind spot, focusing on AI's benefits, ignoring the abyss. Jobs, wars, truth, all transformed overnight. But what personal price will you pay? Pioneers like Hinton fleeing the field, a sign of doom. Their warnings echo, but ignored by profit-driven giants. What betrayal lies at the heart of it all? Economic upheaval, AI creating wealth for few, poverty for many. UBI as bandage on a gaping wound. But could revolution follow if it fails? Warfare's new face. AI predicting battles, outmaneuvering foes. Efficiency wins wars, but at what human cost? The body count could skyrocket. Deepfakes in politics, leaders faked into saying the unsayable. Chaos ensues, but imagine if world wars start from a single viral lie. What then? Ethics outpaced. No laws for superintelligent beings. Who programs morality? And what if AI decides humans are the problem? The singularity's edge, closer than 2030, some say. Preparations? Zero. But what breakthrough tomorrow could tip us into the unknown? Arms race escalation. Microsoft, Google fueling the fire. Billions invested, but leaks hint at unstable prototypes. What if one goes rogue? Truth's erosion accelerating. AI news bots indistinguishable from humans. Propaganda perfected, but how do we fight back before it's game over? Lack of safeguards, racing blindfolded toward doom. Calls for pause ignored. But what catastrophe will finally wake the world? Your future at stake. AI superintelligence isn't if, but when. Unprepared, we face collapse, but is there a hidden way to turn the tide? We've peeled back the layers, but the real question lingers. Will humanity adapt or be obsolete? Hit like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts, because the clock is ticking, and the next revelation might be the last.